ERC, quality service since 1972, repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, the 21st of January. James Spann here, and we are promising a warming trend in the days ahead, but tonight's still pretty cold. Let's go to some of the Skycam images around the network this afternoon. First off, the Gulf Shore Skycam. You know what? That's a pristine beach under a bright sunny sky and not a soul down there. That's the public beach view there coming from the Phoenix All Suites. From Cullman up north, there's a look at the Cullman Regional Medical Center as seen from the Skycam just east of downtown Cullman. Sunny and cold there. And how about a look at Meridian, Mississippi? From the Skycam at Bonita Lakes Mall, just across the Alabama-Mississippi state line down in Lauderdale County, Mississippi. Well, the trough is moving on to the east, the one that brought the cold air. Still, it's going to be cold tonight, not as cold as last night, but we are looking at warmer weather in the days ahead. Right now, and I say right now, these are at noon, midday, still colder than forecast. At that point, temperatures were mostly in the 30s across the northern part of the state, awfully cold up in New England. But look at the warming going on off to the west. I see temperatures up here in the 60s and pushing 70 through parts of Texas. In fact, I do see some 70s out there in Texas, so milder air not that far away. But again, it's cold at midday at the lunch hour, mid-30s. Most spots are going to barely make it up in the 40s, and it'll be cold again tonight, no doubt about that. Here's the expected precipitation around the nation for the next 5 days, valid through Monday morning at 6 o'clock. This is suggesting rain amounts of about 1/2 inch here. And the bulk of that would be during the day Saturday. And again, we'll take a look at modeling here. This is the 12Z GFS at noon tomorrow, noon Thursday. Yeah, the flow going zonal. And that means a good warming trend. Now, tomorrow morning, we'll be well down in the 20s. And again, the valleys will probably hit the teens again because it's much colder than forecast today. But a good chance we see 50s tomorrow. Friday, yeah, we'll bring on those 60s. I think we'll see low to mid 60s on Friday. A front northwest of the state, relatively inactive because of the lack of moisture. Saturday, starting off the weekend, the front eases in here with a pretty good push of cold air to the north. Big old 1,048 millibar high developing over British Columbia. But again, we'll mention a few periods of rain Saturday. The sky will be cloudy. Nothing heavy, not an all-day rain. Sunday, the front just kind of meanders and stalls out near Interstate 20. So from Birmingham north, we think it will be a dry day. There could be a little light rain from Birmingham south, but probably not much. Statewide, the sky will stay mostly cloudy. Monday of next week, the front begins to drift northward. And again, there could be a little rain somewhere. I think we almost have to just mention some risk of scattered light rain Sunday and Monday, but I don't think it rains much. Tuesday of next week, the front moves north up in Tennessee and Arkansas, where the bulk of the rain will be. Tuesday looks dry. Wednesday of next week, still looking dry. And then we'll go to Thursday of next week. This is 1 week from tomorrow. Big trough. Look at the amplitude of that thing coming at us. And now all of a sudden we got a surface low located near Indianapolis with a chance of showers, maybe some strong storms if that's right. And then the next day on Friday the 30th, some hint of rain changing to snow on the backside. But as we often mention, the rain changing to snow scenario rarely generates any big snow accumulation here. Again, and this is still in voodoo country. It's beyond 7 days, but just something that's on the table at least. And then at the end of the forecast on the 6th of February, and we've seen all kind of looks in here, but still some hint of a pretty decent system. Now, the polar westerlies are really up north. That is more of a southern stream system coming in here, and that would suggest maybe a good rain event out there. But, of course, as you all know, every model run looks different, but some decent hint out there maybe 5 or 6 days into the month, we could see a pretty decent rain event here. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog, the next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.